Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. We've got some new accessories here for my Pixel here. UAG's done a lot of lineup lately that has this MagSafe compatibility. They'll just call it magnetic ring, but we all know it's MagSafe, and it's what I use for my own little device here to make sure I get the charging. So it's great to have. So the new one I've shown you off the portable desk charger. I've got the magnetic ring stands we did before, but this is the power bank. Now, I have a Scotia one very similar, but this one's got an upgrade. And the fact it comes like a little stand. So it actually, you can stand up, and hold it up. So let's take a look. It is on the expensive side. This is $137 Canadian. So a little more than your standard wire, power bank, but it's going to have, it's got a cord. So it comes with a cord to charge it up. It's got a little, kickstand there in the back there. And it's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So this is a lot to charge up. This will be like, easily two, 0 to full charges for most phones. So you should be able to have no problem sort of making sure you get it through the night. All right, now I hate ripping it, but I'm also impatient. Let's see what $137 looks like here. It looks like it comes in two colors, right? Whether it's going to be that kind of goldy, champagne-y silver, or it's got black. And this one is that champagne-y kind of silver. Okay. But in the box, it comes with some charging stuff as well, too. So let's see what else it comes with in here. So it comes with a nice C-to-C cord. It feels like a nice braided nylon cable. This is a real nice feel to it. That feels premium to me. All right, so then this guy, what do we have? We have power button. Is that a power button there? There we go. We got 4 indicators plus power on. We've got this thingy here, which is this kickstand, I betcha. So then I can sit like that. Does this thing move out? No, it just stays where it is. But then, yeah, so you can pop it together. It immediately registers to start charging. Now, on my Pixel 9, it is slightly taller than the phone. So I will have, it'll just sit on itself. So the phone isn't even touching the ground. I don't know if I like that or not. I kind of feel like I wanted it to be exact, but again, you're going to have, they probably made these with, iPhones in mind. And there's your USB-C port. USB, that's USB out. So if you want to charge power for somebody else, that is useful, right? So it's not just, okay, I can only have it wireless charging. So many times I've run into people that actually have MagSafe built into their devices and then put a big bulky case over it so they can't use it. Cool. Okay. Charging. It's going to say, again, it gives me the speed in a second here. I'm going to do that. So how long it takes to charge, like to do 11%. We'll see if it'll say. It won't say too soon. Anyways, I'll have it right up on the website. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.